Hey Google, pause music. Good morning, guys. So for today's video, we are gonna do a what I eat in a day. Basically, that's what I'm feeling like filming today. Also, my cousin has been highly requesting this because apparently it's been really popular on YouTube recently. So that is what we're gonna do. Hello, Jack, if you are watching. It's also Monday, and on Mondays, I don't eat meat. I do this thing where I'm not like a pescatarian, but I still eat like eggs. I just don't eat like red meat or like chicken and stuff. I can't remember the name of what it's called, but there is a term for it. I think it's like an octarian, something like that. Sounds like octopus, but it's not. I used to do it on Fridays, but then a lot of the time on Friday I would forget. So I thought Monday would be better because during the weekend I eat a lot of junk and stuff. Or like go out with friends, and Monday's like a cleansing day, so start off the week healthier. I don't know. Anyways, that's what we're gonna do today. So yeah, let's go downstairs. I've got my water. Let's start breakfast. We're gonna mash banana, add an egg in. Then after that, I put oats through a processor, so I just grounded that up and added it in as well. We're gonna put the pancake down now, and make sure you put oil after each round of pancakes so it doesn't stick. And I also decided to make mine blueberry, so I added that. Oops, I guess I burned that one. Alrighty, so breakfast is finally done. I had to do a voiceover because the fan was going on and there was a lot of like the TV going on because people are watching Olympics right now, which I'm obsessed with if anyone else is watching. So this is what I made for breakfast. It's just blueberry, egg, banana, and blueberry. Oh, and oats and blueberry pancakes. I was like, there's something else in here. And what I like to have on the side in the morning is either hot water with lemon or hot water with ginger. And I just have like dry ginger in the tea infuser right now. Kind of like ginger tea, if it counts as ginger tea. I don't really know what counts as tea. Like ginger, we're just gonna call it ginger tea. That's what it is. Ginger is really good for you, so I like to have that in the morning and something warm in the morning. It's really nice. So yeah, I'm just gonna eat breakfast and I'll probably go eat it in the other room because I want to watch some Criminal Minds. I'm so close to finishing Criminal Minds. I'm on season 17 and I think there's not 17, oh my god, 14, and there's 15 seasons, so I'm like halfway through 14 right now. I love Criminal Minds. If anyone else watches, let me know down below. Yum yum. The lighting. My blueberries are a little sour, but that's why we have the syrup to like counteract that. Oh my god, I freaking love these pancakes and it's so much healthier if you want a different version. And you can decide not to add oats as well. I do that sometimes, and I just add an extra egg so all the ingredients can stick together when you actually put it on the pan. But yeah, so good. If you've never tried these type of pancakes, highly recommend. I know a lot of people also put protein in it. I don't take protein, so I don't do that, but that sounds yummy too. I know Alicia, I watched her video the other day. She made these too, but she adds like chocolate protein, so it's kind of like chocolate banana pancakes kind of thing. That also sounds delicious, so if you want to try that, do that. I'm sorry for waving the knife in your face, but yeah, they're really good. I'm just gonna eat this and go watch some Criminal Minds. Alrighty. We are back in the kitchen because it's time to make dinner, and yes, I only eat 2 meals a day, but that's because it depends on how much I eat in the morning. So typically I eat breakfast and then I'll have some snacks in between, and then I'll make my dinner, and dinner is usually pretty early. It is what, 4 o'clock right now, so I'll probably eat around 4:30, 4:45, 5ish. So that's when I eat dinner. It's a very early dinner. And then after that, I usually just eat some fruits and snacks. So we'll see how much I eat tonight. I didn't really eat a lot in between meals because the pancakes this morning were actually really filling. I think it's because I added the oats this time. So if you do that, I highly recommend the oats so that you get filled up more. So yeah, the only snack I really had is Boom Chicka Pop popcorn. I'll actually grab it. If you can hear noise in the background, it's my grandpa and my brother talking about the soccer game, the women's Olympic soccer game. Anyways, this is what I had as a snack today. I only had a few pieces because my brother had it, and I just took some from him. But boom chicka pop popcorn, and this is just the sweet and salty kettle corn flavor. I've also had the birthday cake flavor, and it used to be so good. I remember I got it at Target. Now the sink's going off. I used to buy it at Target when they had a Target here, which I dearly miss because I used to go to Target all the time after school in high school. Anywho, this is what I had for snack, and I'll show you how I make my salmon. To make salmon, basically you need to preheat your oven. I'm just using the little toaster oven. Put it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. That's usually how high this one goes, so I'm just gonna do it for that. And here I just have my pan with tin foil. There's some vegetable oil on the bottom because I don't want the salmon to stick, but basically you just plop the salmon down, and then you grab some sesame oil to put on top. You can use whatever oil you want, but sesame oil just makes it taste better and there's more flavor when you do that. So I'm just gonna put my salmon down, put some oil on top, and add some salt and pepper. Okay, so right into a little dilemma. We're actually out of sesame oil, so I'm just gonna use vegetable oil instead. And this was my reaction because someone just yelled. Salmon is now seasoned. I'm just gonna plop that in because it's preheated by now. So that's gonna go in, and to set the timer, I'm gonna do 15 minutes just because this is not the full temperature it's supposed to be at. Usually it's supposed to be for 425, and I do it for around 12 minutes. So right now I'm gonna put it in for 15 and then check on it, see if I need to leave it in for longer. I'm just gonna set timer for 15 minutes, and then we're gonna get the rice and everything plated first. I actually already have rice pre-cooked because my family already made dinner, so I just got them to cook some extra rice for me. And then also I have an egg ready on the side. Usually I just hard boil it, but my grandpa made one for me today, so thanks, Graham. I was gonna make a new sauce for my salmon, but I realized I actually had some left over from the night before. Basically what's in here is sesame oil, soy sauce, and honey. The sesame oil and the soy sauce has to be even amount. So I put 2 tablespoons of each in here, and then for the honey, I kind of just eyeball it, honestly. It just kind of helps balance the flavor and makes it more of like an Asian type sauce because it's sweeter with the soy sauce. And the soy sauce, I like to use a light one. So far I've tried like different versions of it, and I think the light soy sauce makes it taste a lot better. I'll insert a picture or something here of the one I use. I can't find it right now. I think we used it all just like how we used all the sesame oil, but yeah, I'll just kind of leave a picture here of like the ones that I like to use. Basically you just combine it together. It makes a nice little sauce for the salmon. If you can hear it, it's like literally sizzling right now. There's maybe 2 more minutes left on the timer, so I can't wait to eat because I'm starving. I basically just drizzle the sauce on top, and I like to add sesame seeds, but we don't have any right now. As well, we're just missing all the ingredients today. I don't even know why. Of course, the day that I decide to film, we're missing all the ingredients. Anywho, when I don't have the sesame seeds like on the side, sometimes I would just like to add everything but the bagel seasoning. This is from Costco. Love Costco because they actually have this. We don't have a Trader Joe's in Canada, so this is what we have, and it is amazing. Look at how big this bottle is compared to the Trader Joe one. Also, it was only like $4.95, which is a steal, so if you haven't gotten this, go get it. I like to add this on top as like a sprinkle of color, but also flavor for the bowl, and it kind of like just brings everything together. It also has like salt in it too, so just extra seasoning if you didn't add enough to your fish. Wow, it's like really going off right now. And I don't know about you guys, but I love making my things look good before I eat them, even though it's just for me, and I probably will eat them within a matter of like 5 minutes. I just like to make things look good or nice. So yeah, like to put that on top, and I'm just waiting for it so I can plate it, and I'll show you guys how the finished product looks. This is my finished salmon bowl dinner. Very delicious. I have this all the time. I freaking love it. I get my salmon from Costco too, and it's the one without skin, so it really helps if you are a little lazy. You don't want to pick out the skin. I highly recommend. Basically, I have some rice on here. It's just regular white rice, and then a sunny side up fried egg, half an avocado, some peas under the salmon, and then obviously the salmon. And drizzled on top is the soy sauce that I made with everything but bagel seasoning on top. So yeah, this is the finished meal. I'm gonna eat this because I'm hungry, and we'll see you during dessert or fruit snack time. I just came back from a bike ride with Jack, and I'm just snacking on these cantaloupes. Oh my god, the lighting. Yeah, there we go. Oh my god, why is it like this? Cantaloupes. I'm eating cantaloupes. And my parents just came home and they're gonna make these like shoot, what are they called? I don't want to fetch the wrapper back out of the garbage, but it's just these like Asian buns with custard. They're custard steam buns, and they're like right here. We're just making the water, like preparing the water for it, but they're like these little buns and there's like custard in it, and it's very delicious. So that's gonna be my dessert for tonight, and as well as these cantaloupes, and I think that's all I'm gonna eat for tonight, I'm pretty sure. So I'm gonna end the vlog here unless there's something else I eat afterwards, but probably not. So that is all for my what I eat in a day. Oh my god, look, this is my little sign or note to remind myself that I don't eat meat on Mondays. Anyways, that is all for my video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe down below if you love these videos, or if you want to see more of these videos. Also give it a like if you want to see more of these videos, or comment down below. Do all that jazz. Also comment down below what else you want me to film. Do you like watching these, like what I eat in days? Is that what people like these days? I'll also like filming fashion videos if you guys want to know, so there's that also. Yeah, just leave a comment down below of anything. Say hi if you want. Let's be friends, and I will see you guys next time because tomorrow's a new day. Bye guys.